Just a quick little one, using up a few little bits of paint that I have left, really little bits of paint. So I'm going to, yep, just, this is burnt umber. Probably going to look messy. If it looks just a disaster, I will still show you anyway. That was metallic copper that I have left. I've got quite a bit of that, haven't I? So, but probably look a real disastrous mess, I would think. So then just one navy. That's all I'm going to use. I haven't got no gloves on, naughty me. I should have, but I just couldn't help myself but just do this quick little one. Just want to see what it turns out like. Oh, we got helicopters now, isn't that wonderful? Not something that we get very often out here in the sticks, but there we go, we got helicopters. So there's a lot of we're in our winter in Australia, and there's a lot of bushfire burning off, which they burn off in the winter, so there isn't such a fire hazard in the summer. So usually these helicopters go over the top of the bush just to check that the organised burns aren't going out of hand, which they quite often do, more so. So that's actually really nice on its own without anything. Just that would be nice as a name plaque when it's dry, and then to put somebody's name and then coat it in resin or just gloss and put on on their door, bedroom door, as a name plaque. It's just a little idea that I have done before. But yeah, that's actually quite nice. So I'm going to put some of this, just white. I don't like swiping with white, but I'm going to do it. And I'm going to go down the centre. It's probably way too much than I need, but this is just a quick little one for you. Anybody that's my trusty swipe tool, my plastic file divider. So it just had the burnt umber, navy and metallic copper. This might turn out mayhem, a mayhem mess, or it might turn out a little gem. So it's just popping the very tip of your swipey tool, whatever you may be using. But if you're having trouble doing swipes, I would suggest you get one of these plastic file dividers. Just got that bit of extra weight in it, and it just does great swipes. I'm thinking that I might, because I get asked so many questions all the time about where I get products, so I'm going to hopefully ask my daughter-in-law to set up something on my page that you can click on a link to where I get the products from. Oh, okay, that's interesting. And having a little, very simple little swipe like that, it's already got gorgeous cells without me doing anything. Just those three simple colours. Okay, give it a go with my torch. Just wait a second and see what happens. I'll give it a shake over with the torch. Okay. It's so strange because the one I just did with exact same colours and or just a different technique came up with tiny little cells, but cells within cells within cells, and now this one has come up with fatter cells that I'm sure will stretch but still look equally beautiful. There you go. That's a very simple little pour, but when that actually starts to dry and the paint absorbs a bit more into the canvas, See, the white is actually framing all those cells, getting some little faces appear. That's beautiful actually. It's a nice little easy pour, easy little pour and swipe. I will put some photographs up of what it looks like now, and then when the cells, if they do actually stretch out, try and get a bit of a close-up for you on this. Oh, I'm a bit out of whack, aren't I here? Sorry about that. So sorry. Just bear with me. See, it's quite pretty, and I'm sure that that white will disappear further into the when the cells stretch out. So that's just a little quick one. Might be somebody who's got some leftover paints and just wanted an idea what to do with them. Colours still look lovely together. Just a quick little one. Thank you for watching. Just wondering if you can see what I can see in there at this stage, or is it changed? There's a koala bear, look. There's his little ear, and his other ear, there's his eye, and his koala bear nose and body. It's quite strange what show up in your pores, isn't it? It's always, yeah, always can be a surprise. So, okay, you may love it just like that, and I'm going to do my trick that lots of you hate and some of you love. I just want to see what it looks like with the balloon in it. Okay, because there's so many dark colours, it may, yeah, not look so good. Which, yeah, I'm probably. Oh, I don't want to go over my little koala bear there. But can you hear that sound in here? That click. That is a gecko. That's our Aussie gecko. I think you have them in America and Europe. I think so. Sure you do. Okay, that was another quick little one, but I just wanted to show you with a little bit of embellishment. If it's not your thing doing with a balloon, then obviously don't do it. But I just love my balloon kissing, as you all know. But that's a really nice, simple little pour and swipe with 3 colours. How good's that? Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and join me again next time. Thank you. Oh, wow. That's pretty.